a career fair inside the Sequoyah Middle School gymnasium, a perfect opportunity for young minds to jumpstart their career path for later in life.
It's cool. I like it a lot. You know, there's a lot of different things you can do, a lot of places to check out.
I'm very indecisive, so when I see it, like the things that we have here, I kind of like get an idea of what we're gonna get.
For the future, I want to be a doctor. I want to be an anesthesiologist. So I'm really trying to see what career like here has that. Really, there is a lot of jobs here that is very inspiring.
I really want to play baseball, but if not, I want to be a businessman and own businesses. I want to be like in the businesses with like houses and stuff like that.
There's certain kids that don't just want to do one thing, and there's multiple things that you can like choose from. I want to be an ultrasound tech. It's just something that I'm really passionate about, just so I know when I am older what I would like be focused on. They make really good money too.
There you go.
This is an opportunity to see, you get to pick what you learn about. There's all these opportunities that you can have and pick from, like Aerovision or like the bank or the army or the police. So there's just a bunch of things that kids can learn about so they know what they're doing going forth.
I've always wanted to go to college, and this has really given me like the experience. I can ask other people for advice, but this is a lot more efficient personally. So I think that this is really helpful towards people who are looking for future jobs and future careers.
Without a doubt, the future looks bright for these 8th graders, and the career fair at Sequoyah Middle School is making it a reality. With Aerovision, I'm Dan Hawk.